Namaste everyone, welcome again. This is our fifth worksheet. In this worksheet, we are going to see problems related with 2 marks and 4 marks. Now the first problem, it is of 2 marks. We have to integrate. So I is equals to, here we have to integrate 1 upon 5 minus 8x minus x square dx. Okay, so here denominator is a quadratic equation. Now here the coefficient of x square is negative, so we will try to convert it in the form of a square minus x square. So for that, what we do, we write 1 upon 5 minus, I will take minus sign common, and inside bracket I will write x square minus minus will become plus, so x square plus 8x into dx. Now this is equals to 1 upon 5 minus, now here x square, to make it perfect square, I will add half of coefficient of x, that is 4, so square of 4, and subtract square of 4. So the 3 terms, they will become a perfect square. So this is integration of 5 minus, inside we have x plus 4 the whole square minus 16. Now I open this bracket, so it will become integration of 1 upon, this is 5 plus 16 minus x plus 4 the whole square. So 16 plus 5 is 21, so this is integration of 1 upon 21, so 21 we can write as root 21 the whole square minus x plus 4 the whole square into dx. Now here it is of the form of a square minus x square, so this will be 1 upon 2a, so that is 1 upon 2 root of 21 into log of a plus x, that is root 21, plus x plus 4 divided by root 21 minus x plus 4 plus c. You can write formula. Okay, what is the formula? So inside bracket you can mention the formula. What formula you are using? You are using formula of integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. So you say that since 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equals to 1 divided by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x. This is your formula. Okay, right. So let us see the next problem. The second problem, now this problem is of 4 marks. Problem is integration of 3x plus 5 upon x square plus 3x minus 18 dx. Now here first identify the type. Okay, which kind of problem is this? So this is of the type of px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. That means your numerator has a linear polynomial and denominator is a quadratic equation. So in such type of problem, what we do? So in such type of problem, we first express numerator. So first let us write the problem. We have I is equals to 3x plus 5 divided by x square plus 3x minus 18 dx. So in such type of problem, we first express our numerator, which is 3x plus 5, as a into differentiation of denominator, which is x square plus 3x minus 18. So a into differentiation of denominator plus b. So we simplify it. This is a into, we differentiate this denominator, we will get 2x plus 3 plus b. So on simplification, we get this as 2ax plus 3a plus b. Now we compare this left hand side and right hand side. We compare the coefficient of x as well as constant term. So comparing both the sides, we get 2a equal to 3. We get 2a equal to 3. So therefore here I will get a equal to 3 upon 2, and we get 3a plus b equal to 5. So we substitute a is equals to 3 upon 2 here. Value of a we got. So 3 into value of a is 3 upon 2 plus b equal to 5. So therefore b is equals to 5 minus 3 3 is 9, 9 upon 2. So 5 minus 9 upon 2, 5 2 is 10, minus 9 whole divided by 2. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 upon 2. So value of b is 1 upon 2. So we got value of a as 3 upon 2, and we got value of b as 1 upon 2. So therefore our integration I will be equal to a into integration. So a, value of a we will write as 3 upon 2. So here I will say that this is 3 upon 2 into derivative of denominator. So derivative of denominator, we have 2x plus 3. So here we have 2x plus 3, and we have denominator as x square plus 3x minus 18. Okay, so minus 18. This is first part, and second part plus b. So plus, we have half of integration of 1 upon x square plus 3x minus 18 dx. Now this first part, okay, this is of the form f dash x upon fx. Okay, so we all know the formula. What is the formula? Integration of f dash x upon fx dx. This is equals to log of fx plus c. Okay, so this part is of this form. So what we do, we directly write, okay, here we will write this is equals to, we will write this is equals to 3 upon 2 log of x square plus 3x minus 18. Now there should be one constant of integration. So if I want, I can write plus c1, and the second part plus 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon, denominator is a quadratic equation, so we will make them in the form of x square plus a square or x square minus a square. So for that, what we do, this is x square plus this is 3x. So half of 3 is 3 upon 2. So we will add 3 upon 2 the whole square. Also we will subtract minus, we will add, as well as we subtract 3 by 2 the whole square. plus minus we have 18 dx. So this part will remain as it is, so we will write this as it is, which is 3 upon 2 log of x square plus 3x minus 18, this will remain as it is, plus c1, plus here it is 1 upon 2 integration of 1 upon, now this 3 term will become a perfect square, that is x plus 3 upon 2 the whole square, and this remaining 2 term, it is minus 9 upon 4 minus 18, so 18 I will write 72 upon 4 into dx. So this I will write, this is equals to 3 upon 2 log of x square plus 3x minus 18 plus c1 plus this is 1 upon 2. Now here it is 1 upon x plus 3 upon 2 the whole square. Now this is minus 9 plus 71 will become minus 81. So minus 81 divided by 4 into dx. So this is equals to 3 upon 2 log of x square plus 3x minus 18 plus c1 plus 1 upon 2 integration of 1 upon x plus 3 upon 2 the whole square minus 9 upon 2 the whole square into dx. So this part already we will keep as it is, as this integration is already done. So x square plus 3x minus 18 plus c1 plus 1 upon 2, then here we have 1 upon 2a, so value of a is 9 upon 2 into log of x minus a, that is x plus 3 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2 divided by x plus a. So the value of x plus a is x plus 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 plus I will say c2. So here we have c1, here we have c2, so c1 plus c2 will become another constant which we can say that c. So this is 3 upon 2 log of x square plus 3x minus 18 plus this is this 2 and this 2 will cancel, 9 to the 18, so it is 1 upon 18 log of here x plus 3 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2, so 3 minus 9 is minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3, so numerator will become x minus 3 and denominator 3 plus 3 is 6 upon 2 is 3, denominator will become x plus 3 plus I have constant of integration c. So final answer is 3 upon 2 log of x square plus 3x minus 18 plus 1 upon 18 log of x minus 3 upon x plus 3. Okay, let us check if we have done some mistake. Yes, we have done one mistake. This is not 3 upon 2, this is 9 upon 2. So 9 plus 3 is 12, so 12 upon 2 is 6, so this is x plus 3 upon x minus 3 upon x plus 6, denominator will be x plus 6. Simple question. Okay, now let us move to next problem, third problem. I is equals to integration of cos x divided by 1 plus sin x divided by into 2 plus sin x. Now this problem is a problem of substitution. Directly I can see that derivative of sin x is cos x which is present. So what we say? We say that let sin x equal to t. So derivative of sin x is cos x into dx. This will become dt. Therefore our integration I is integration of, now cos x dx is dt. So I will write this as 1 upon 1 plus sin x, so 1 plus t, into 2 plus sin x, so 2 plus t, into dt. Okay. So this is integration of 1 upon 1 plus t into 2 plus t into dt. Now here there are two ways I can solve this problem. One way is that I will make this as a quadratic equation, okay, and use the formula which we are doing. Second, as it is a factor of two terms, okay, this is okay, this is in factor form, so here we can use the partial fraction. Okay, so partial fraction, in partial fraction what you say? You say that let your a 1 upon, this is 1 plus t into 2 plus t, you consider this as a upon 1 plus t plus b upon 2 plus t. So this will become 1 upon 1 plus t into 2 plus t. This becomes a into, you make the denominator common, so this a is going to be multiplied by 2 plus t plus this b is going to be multiplied by 1 plus t, and whole divided by, we have 1 plus t into 2 plus t. So from both the sides the denominator we can cancel, and we can write 1 is equals to a into 2 plus t plus b into 1 plus t. Now to find the value of a and b, we first make this second part 0. So for making second part 0, we should have 1 plus t equal to 0, that is t is equals to minus 1. So here we put t is equals to minus 1. So therefore I have 1 equal to a into 2 minus 1 plus this part will become 0. So I have a equal to 1. Similarly, to find the value of b, we make this 2 plus t 0. So for that we substitute t is equals to minus 2. So therefore 1 will become, we have substituted t is equals to minus 2. So this whole part will become 0. So we have 1 equal to b into 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So I have 1 equal to minus b. Therefore I have b equal to minus 1. So value of b is minus 1 and value of a is plus 1. Therefore I will say that therefore I is equals to, or your integration, therefore I is equals to a, the value of a is 1, so it will become integration of 1 upon, we have written this as a upon 1 plus t, so a upon 1 plus t into dt, then minus, value of b is minus 1, so I will write minus 1 upon 2 plus t into dt. So this is log of 1 plus t minus this is log of 2 plus t plus c. Now log a minus log b is log a upon b. So you can write this as log 1 plus t upon 2 plus t plus c is your final answer. Now t you have put in place of, let us check, t we put in place of sin x. So t we put in place of sin x, so we will write this as is equals to log of 1 plus sin x divided by 2 plus sin x plus some constant c. So this is how we solve this particular problem. Now let us see one more question. Question number 4. We have I. Now here integration of x square plus x plus 1 divided by this is x plus 2 into x square plus 1 into dx. Now here denominator, one factor is linear and other factor is polynomial. So again this is a problem of partial fraction. Your degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So you will say that let x square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 into x square plus 1 is equals to a upon x plus 2 plus bx plus c. Okay, the second part is quadratic, so for that we will write bx plus c. So bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Therefore this x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1, this will become a into x square plus 1 plus b into x plus 2 whole divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Now you see denominator is the same at both the places. So you compare numerator with numerator, you can cancel denominator. So you have x square plus x plus 1, this is equals to a into x square plus 1 plus b into x plus 2. Okay, now here we have to find the value of I have done some mistake, I think. Bx plus c is multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so bx plus c, here it is bx plus c. So here we will write this as bx plus c. This is going to be multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so here again I will make correction. This is bx plus c, it is going to be multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, now we have to find the value of a, b and c. So first if I put x is equals to minus 2, so this second part will become 0. So let us put x equal to minus 2. There are few more ways to solve this problem. Okay, to find the values of a, b, c, I will say. So put x is equals to minus 2. So therefore we will get minus 2 square plus minus 2 plus 1 equal to x we have put as minus 2. So it is minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus this whole term will become 0. Okay, so minus 2 the whole square is 4, minus 2 plus 1 is equals to minus 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this side we have 5a. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So I have 3 is equals to 5a. This gives me the value of a. So therefore I have a is equals to 3 upon 5. So the value of a is 3 upon 5. Now we got the value of a. Now we have to find b and c. So first we will concentrate on c. We put x is equals to 0 and we will put a is equals to 3 upon 5. So put x is 0. So therefore left hand side, which is x square plus x plus 1, it will become 1 is equals to the value of a is 3 upon 5. So we will write 3 upon 5. A into we have x square plus 1. So 0 square plus 1 is 1 plus here inside the bracket we have bx, so b into 0 will become 0 plus c, so only I will write c. So c into we have x plus 2, so value of x is 0, so it is 2. Okay, so this gives us value of 2c as 1 minus 3 upon 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2, so it will become 2 upon 5. So 2c is 2 upon 5, therefore c will become 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. 2 will cancel and I will get the value of C as 1 upon 5. So value of C, I got value of C is 1 upon 5. I got the value of A. Now we have to find the value of B. So to find the value of B, I can put any value. Okay, so far we have put x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to 0. So let us consider, let x is equals to, let us say 1. Okay, so our left hand side will become 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will become 3, is equals to value of A is 3 upon 5 into 1 plus 1 plus value of B is unknown, so B into 1 plus C. Now the value of C we know, it is 2 upon 5. So sorry, 1 upon 5. So here I will write B plus 1 upon 5 into x plus 2. So x plus 2, that is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 1 plus 2 is 3. So here it is 3. So therefore I have 3 is equals to, this is 2, 3 into 2, 6 upon 5. Then plus I have 3b plus I have 3 upon 5. So therefore I will say that this 3b is equals to 3 minus 6 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. So this 3b is equals to 3 minus 6 minus 3 is 9. So 9 upon 5. So 3b is equals to 3b is equals to 3 5 is 15. So it is 15 minus 9 whole divided by 5. So 3b is equals to 15 minus 9 is 6. So it is 6 upon 5. Therefore I will say that b is equals to 6 upon 5 into 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are, so it will become 2 upon 5. So the value of b is 2 upon 5. Okay, so we have got the value of a, b and c. So therefore I will say that therefore my integration I is equals to, now I is of the form of, this expression can be written as a upon x plus 2. So a upon x plus 2, what is the value of a? The value of a is 3 upon 5. So I is equals to integration of 3 upon 5 divided by x plus 2 dx. I will keep this separate, plus integration of bx plus c. So the value of b is 2 upon 5. So it is 2 upon 5x plus c is 1 upon 5 and denominator is x square plus 1. Denominator is x square plus 1. So we will write this as x square plus 1 into dx. Now this we can write 3 upon 5, let us take out. So it is integration of 1 upon x plus 2 dx. Then plus I will take 2 upon 5 out, and here I have x upon x square plus 1 dx. Now the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. So instead of taking 2 upon 5 out, what we do? We will take 1 upon 5 out. We will take 1 upon 5 out, and here we will write 2x. So 2x upon x square plus 1 plus 1 upon 5 I will take out, and here inside I have 1 upon x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now this is equals to 3 upon 5 log of x plus 2 is what? 1 upon integration of 1 upon x plus 2 is what? Log of x plus 2 plus here I have 1 upon 5, 2x upon x square plus 1. So derivative of denominator is in numerator. So I will say this as log of x square plus 1 plus 1 upon 5 Now this 1 upon x square plus 1 I will write as tan inverse x plus c. This is the value of I. I is equals to 3 upon 5 log of x plus 2 plus 1 upon 5 log of x square plus 1 plus 1 upon 5 tan inverse x. Yes, I hope you understand. Okay, so I will stop my lecture here. Okay, in this lecture we have solved we have solved 4 problems, and as these problems are of 4 marks, so they are little lengthy, but they are easy if you know the method how to solve them, right? Okay, let us see this question again. Is there any substitution? No, there is no substitution involved in this particular problem. Okay, so fine. Okay, we will stop at this problem, 4th problem. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.